Hello friends, welcome to GST Quick Info Bytes Day 3. Let's learn some of the basic concepts. To start with, let us get to know what is registration today. Registration is PAN based. Registration is required for each state separately where the taxable person has manufacturing, trading or service unit. One single registration is sufficient even if the taxpayer has multiple branches, units, divisions, depots within one state. One can as well have more than one registration in one state if he has multiple places of business within the state or union territory. 15 digits GST registration number is allotted, that is represented as GSTIN. This is best explained in this example. Mr. Anil of Maharashtra is allotted with GSTIN of 27 AANPA 1257K1Z1. In this example, the starting two digits, that is 27, is state code of Maharashtra. The PAN number, that is AANPA 1257K, is PAN of Mr. Anil, and which follows with the digit 1 that represents entity code. Let's move on to the next basic concept, interstate stock transfer. This implies that interstate stock transfer or any branch transfer is subject to GST. For example, supply of goods or services by a Punjab branch, say of X Limited, to Maharashtra branch of X Limited itself is subject to GST. Another basic concept, gift. Supply by way of gift between unrelated person is not subject to GST. Gift between related person is subject to GST. Next concept being import of goods. Import of goods is subject to basic customs duty, education cess, secondary and higher education cess. In addition to these three, it is also subject to IGST. Moving on to another concept, that is reverse charge. GST is normally payable by supplier of goods or services. In a normal scenario, GST is always payable by supplier of goods or services. However, in some cases, in some specified cases, recipient is liable to pay tax under reverse charge mechanism. Thank you, friends. I kindly request you to like, share, and most important, please subscribe to this channel, Outlier 73. Also press the bell button to get the notification as and when we upload the video.